For many companies, the environment has been and continues to be challenging. Uncertainty is mounting as supply chains get constrained. Margins have been impacted by rising production prices, and employees are either burning out, throttling back, or even quitting. To add to these pressures, employers are struggling to figure out how to pass through increases in health costs, because reducing take-home pay could be the breaking point. And without engaged employees, you simply can't deliver to your customers. So if you're satisfied with the way your health benefits plan is being administered and the results you're achieving with that administration, stop here. If not, keep listening, because there is an alternative to the status quo, and it may be what you've been looking for. Employee health costs have skyrocketed, growing by 50% over the past decade, and likely another 50% in this decade. Satisfaction scores have plummeted, and there's no relief in sight. All the while, compliance demands are rising, with regulators asking hard questions about the way in which plan assets are being managed or not. Traditional plan administrators have failed to make any of this better, quite the contrary. The frustration is palpable. Employees face healthcare costs that consume a fifth of household expenditures, coupled with poor service. It's a boiling point, and Band-Aid solutions won't fix the root causes. There are many root causes, but most of them boil down to money spent on care that's not needed, money not spent on care that's needed, rampant inflation with hospitals and health systems charging whatever they want without anyone pushing back, and same with pharmaceutical companies. For decades, solutions have been known, and here they are. First, truly advanced primary care practices staffed with clinicians that can respond to your employees at any time, in person, by phone, video, or text. They exist everywhere. Second, a high-performing network of independent specialists who are not beholden to pricey health systems and won't send you employees to get MRIs, scans, and lab tests simply because it makes money for the health system. Third, getting away from purely transactional payments for every single service incurred by your employees and that are divorced from any form of accountability for outcomes. Employers have adopted some of these solutions as add-ons or one-offs, but not as full replacements. And to be fair, until now there wasn't a viable alternative. ExoHealth changes that. ExoHealth guarantees lower prices on all necessary care for the management of conditions and major procedures. Carefully selected physicians ensure better health outcomes, and transparency is maintained with no hidden fees and no gimmicks. Employees receive support from dedicated Exo advocates, simplifying billing and reimbursement processes. They spend less time battling the healthcare system and more time working for you. It sounds too good to be true, but it isn't. As we said, the solutions to high prices and bad experience have been known for decades, but those in charge of administering your benefits, the so-called third-party administrators, are only serving one party, themselves. ExoHealth is different because the people running it are different. All the people working at ExoHealth are like you. They worked at large and small companies, managing health benefits. They've developed innovative programs that have demonstrated and proven success. They've tried for years from within the big health plans in the United States, but realized it was pointless to change those organizations. And so they've come together for you and for your employees. ExoHealth will analyze your historical claims without asking for a commitment and tell you how and by how much they can help control your health benefits costs while improving your employees' satisfaction. This analysis becomes the foundation for ExoHealth's commitment to full transparency and accountability and continues throughout our relationship. We'll be working for you and your employees, just like you work for your customers. Together, let's embark on this journey towards a better, more efficient healthcare system for your company, your employees, and their families. Guaranteed lower prices, greater satisfaction, that's healthcare to the power of Exo.